This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Good morning. I got here before CPI. How cool is that? Let's get my accounts open. Oh shit, I forgot about that one. I'm gonna have to fix that. What else? Funding futures. What time is it? 8:26. Oh, I got a little bit of time. And take profit trader. Okay, we're ready to go. Would have liked to get a pull up. Let's see if I can do that. Ducks, chat. You to chat. Take a quick look at the 30-minute. Okay, we took out the high of the Asian session, we took out the low of the Asian session, and now we're taking out the high of the Asian session. So that 80% rule, or 80% trade is gone already. Played out. Okay, there we go. We are 8:28. Let me 2 minutes still. Change. Wrinkle levels. That. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Okay, perfect. We'll watch, and I think I'll try and get in on a trade on which account? Maybe on, oh, it's true, sound test. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Perfect. We're all good. See what happens to the spread. We're at we're at half, 3/4, $1.50. That's what we're rotating. So I expect the spread as we get closer to the 8:30 mark. Now we're $0.75, but they're gonna widen the spread. The bids and the asks will get pulled. I find it strange how that happens, to be honest with you. Because there's enough retail traders who don't even know, who forget. Where do those orders go? And they're all placing bids, and now it's $1.75. $1. $1.75. Really? That's it? 2, 3, 5 points now. And the news should be out. Spiking higher. The spread is 2 to 5 points. 6 points, 9 points, 3 points, 2 points. Can't trade in that environment. My mic's not even on. Okay, well, you missed on my commentary. $86 plus 7 is how much? 93. $108. If you're a 1, I'm going to be fucking furious. There's no way I can catch all the 1s. Push it higher. Push. Come on, I solved the problem. Made it worse. Oh, don't ask. Don't ask. Don't ask. Continuing from where I left off from yesterday. Yeah, I came in for the CPI. 93. But it'll be for a coffee. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Hmm. Hmm. I don't even know if my mic is on. Yes, it is. Right side cam. Looking good. Guys, I'm going to go for a coffee. I don't even know why that's set up like that. We'll keep it there. Yeah, so give me a second, 2 minutes. Actually, I got to put the pod on, so I'm going to go twice, but yeah, give me a minute. $8.56. Looks like it's still working. 2. There we go. 3. I said sorry for the alarm. It was ringing forever. Hey, good morning, Skeletor. My headphones are on backwards. Okay, let's switch to Sim 101 and try something. Let's try that alert thing again. Can we go alert short? Yep, scalper short. Let's see what it does. You know what? I think scalper short, indicators, alerts. Can we add? How about add? Let's call it scalper short stop. Rearm type on bar close. What's the rearm type on the short? Never. On bar close. It'd be good if we can see which ones are being armed. So scalper short stop if add. Let's see what it can do. Drawing objects, indicators, time, numeric value. I think we can do this if the close of 2 is less than the open of 2, add the close of 1 is greater than the open of 1. We want to add, submit an order, account, Sim 101, we want to buy, market because short, time and force day, no ATM strategy. Okay. And here, isn't there an ATM strategy? None. N's alert ATM. Okay. Okay, so hey, wait a minute. Why would you be? Ah, yeah. I see why. I see why. What happens if I close that order now? Will it buy it again? No, it shouldn't. Should be fine. Trying out using alerts. Hey, good morning, JC. Trying out using alerts to see if they can manage orders. Let me see what the ATM does. Spoke to David. He's doing good. 2022. I don't know. It should be 32. Can't get 32. Save. Save. Yes. Okay. Yeah, like I said, there's no way of knowing if they're on. Hey, that worked well. Okay. So let's see what it does. I think we're all set up with the ATM. I don't know if you guys can see it there on the bottom screen. Well, it'd be much better if I can put if position size is less than equal to 1, so it wouldn't add. It's always adding, which is kind of cool, I guess. I mean, that take profit is in the perfect place. Let's just see if I can put in that condition also. while we're waiting for take profit to get, there we go, take profit got hit. Scalper short. Add. We have data series, we have drawing objects, we have indicator, we have time, and numeric value. Why wouldn't it put system? Yeah, that's too bad. No, I can't put it. There's no way to prevent it from taking a second order. It is what it is. Coffee's good. Inside of my nose is itchy. What time is it? 9:15. Okay. So, which one? That one? How did that one get filled? Should it have been two? Yeah, it's the, okay, sorry, I'm talking to myself here. It's the bar closes and one more. The bar closes and one more. I got it. How are we doing on sim? Okay, and I'm only going to run it when you're supposed to, so we'll see how it does today. Which means I'm going to ignore Bitcoin for today. And alerts, I need the alert box open somewhere. There we go, got filled again. Haha, look how beautiful, but it didn't cancel the order, so it's okay. Oh, cancel. Okay, if I get the alert box open, I got to cancel the orders. Okay, so that one brought us to plus 22. Alerts. Scalper short should not be on. You should not be on. So if I keep this open, really? I'm prevented from doing anything, eh? Yep. So is there a quick way to open the alert box? Is there a shortcut? Nope, not even a shortcut. Oh well, I'm gonna have to do it manually. Yeah, that's no good. That's no good. Much better running it off off Strategy Builder. What are we thinking, guys? Are we gonna go back up, take up the, well, we can't call it the data highs because the data highs is here, but the high of the run from the release of the data, or are we gonna go back down to the lows? It's always, this retrace is always following a data release. The question is, which direction do we go after? What do you guys think? Anybody have an opinion? Right at the 50 line. Gonna go back up, gonna go back down. Pre-data lows or post-data highs? How about we take a poll on that one? So we got quiet again, 9 points of range. Well, I can't mess around too much with the alert because I do want to trade too, man. Sparky, relax. Yeah. I know. Bye. I just gave my cat his daily dose of crack. So yesterday when we were testing the alert, it would have gone short over here again, also just as a test, but it's not time to put it on. Actually, it's probably a good time to go long right here. Stop is tight, 44. Here's really even better. But you would have gotten stopped out. Oh. See how long it is to get this done? This is ridiculous. Plus, I can't access my charts now. If I had my thing working with the strategy builder, it would be one button to click. Doesn't prevent me from accessing my charts. Here I got to click 2 buttons. And because of that, I missed this trade. If that bar closes, it would have been it would have hit TP on that trade. Yeah, that's it. It would have hit TP. That would have been another 16 points, $16 added to the balance. We're just doing it at 1 lots. So we need this bar to close, and then one more bar to form bearish to hit TP. And the stop loss is not in the right place. So we got to edit the ATM. We're just going to put it very far away. How could I take profit? And we're going to put it far away because the other strategy, the other strategy I wrote takes care of it. Closes the trade. So that would have been 1 winner, 1 loser. Yeah, no, you got to babysit the alerts all the time. You have to babysit the alert box. Today, comma, don't oversize. Exclamation mark. I'm so funny. Okay, the alerts are on, as they should be. Let's see if it gets into a trade. There we go. While we're waiting, let me take a look at the volume. 320,000. Nothing spectacular. 500,000 is decent volume for this time of the day. So the stop is only there for semantics, you see. Once the bar forms, the trade's exited by the alert. So you can't put in no stop. So I should put in the stop like that. But you know what? So people don't complain, oh, it's more than 5. I just need it at 40. I just realized I don't have to set it at 80. $40 is good. You know what? Let's try even 32. Let's see what that looks like. There we go.
So there are certain things that smart YouTubers like myself do that.
Oh, what the fuck? How does this thing just change on its own? What is that? Oh, really? Wrong one? Give me a sec. There we go. Where's my earpiece? Why are there no lights? Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, 928. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily change, daily change, daily change. Up 100 points. What are we showing over here? 737, 630, also but up 100 points. Just gold to see. Oh, wow. Gold really. Tabernuch really got crushed, eh? Again, into that line. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 5 a little bit if they front ran it. Bitcoin. Kind of the same thing, eh? These things look like they're topping out, maybe. Okay, what am I thinking of doing? Good morning, good morning. Trade safe, don't oversize.
Don't oversize, and don't be taking 1 million trades.
Yeah. Let me just do a sound check over here on my stream.
Sound check. Nobody likes sound check.
Well, you just continue talking like normal. I'm not gonna go test. I'm not gonna go testing 1, 2, 3.
I was just joking. Calm down.
Ting ting. Hey, the alert just went. I missed it. The alert.
Jokes to start off our day.
Yeah.
You gonna start telling us dad jokes?
No, markets are open. No sound check. I'm gonna try and take a trade. What happened?
Taking a trade already?
Yeah. Can't watch the gotta get, come on, it's stupid ATM. I said none.
Long or short?
That's a big one. I should be thinking short, I think, really. 70, 30. There was a short trade at 30. 44 we cover.
Did you see my video I posted this morning? Trump's Everybody's Transgender video.
No.
I think they're blocking it.
Oh, yeah. What is it, just like a meme or something?
It was I took it from yesterday's video. Was Trump saying everybody's transgender?
Oh, yeah.
I thought it was funny.
Why would he be saying that?
Well, you'll have to watch the video.
Okay.
Can't give away all the secrets.
So the alerter is like way off. I'm not using the alerts anymore. Somehow it's plus. It's holding a 6 lot.
Maybe it likes 6 lot.
No, it's doing 1 lot at a time, but it's unable to properly calculate. How we doing? Sim 101. Let's see what happens. Anyways, let it close, and I'll just close it. Now it's up 7. Now it's up 9. But I don't mean up 9. I mean it's got a 9 lot.
Saying it's placing different amount of orders?
Well, it's not matching the buys and the sells. I kind of tried to create a way so that it can hold on. You know what? It's so damn hard to... Where are you coming from?
I'm right here.
No, your voice. There you go. My phone. Boy, when you hear 2 voices, you hear your voice like on a few second delay. Hey, good morning, Butterstunts. It's very hard to have a conversation. I tried to set up a second alert that would close the position of the first one if it got stopped out, but somehow it's not working. It just seems to keep adding and adding. But it is kind of curious because it did really well, so maybe it's got something there. But probably not. I think if the markets would have tanked, it would have been negative. Anyways, I'll let it run. We'll see what happens. That's what testing is for, right?
Yeah. Butters, good morning.
So yeah, I'll just let it run and see what happens. Who knows? Maybe it'll be a point vacuum. It'll just vacuum up points.
What am I doing? I don't even know what I'm doing. Just over here like lost in La La Land.
Mm. Well, the question is, do we take out the data highs on the
I think we're
pull?
going
And
for all-time high.
I do think we're going to try and take out the data highs. Well, no, again, wrong question. It's not the data highs. It's the full move from the data. The data spike, the 1 minute spike was, we're already beyond that. We took it out right away.
Looking for a nice pullback, but it just kind of went crazy, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I had to catch myself yesterday afternoon. I was making some bad trades, digging myself into a hole.
Okay.
It's like, come on, man, what are you doing? The chart looks great. Problem's the trader.
Oh, yeah, I agree.
I was like, take a step back, take a deep breath. Let's find good trades. And I dug my way about halfway out the hole. It's amazing when you stop and think about it for a minute, take a deep breath, and start looking for your good setups, how everything just gets better. Yeah, last night was super slow. I don't know how anybody could have traded that.
Oh, yeah. Was I streaming last night? I don't remember.
I didn't see you. I was watching these other streamers. God, I was bored to death.
Yeah. I don't think I streamed yesterday. You see what happens is it's using an ATM, right? The alert. But when one order is being filled, it's not filling the other order. It's not canceling the other order. That's why I'm getting these.
Mm-hmm.
In this case, it actually did close it. See, once again, I have long for.
Yeah, if you want all that, you're probably going to have to set it up in the strategy builder.
Yeah, I have to see exactly why this is happening.
The alerts is something that you can do easy to kind of check things out.
Mm.
See how you like it, and then if you like it from there, go to strategy builder.
But I'm curious to see how this works because, again, it's got itself in a long 4 position,
Mm-hmm.
and it's up 130, which it's not supposed to be. Just saying.
What's it supposed to be?
It's supposed to be flat.
Okay.
Well, keep playing with it. Wow, nice trade.
Push. Come on, do nice push for me.
Do a nice push. 2 minute. I didn't think to look for the 2 minute. Oh my God. I mean, this is as obvious as can be. You just got to find the right entry, but this is going for the high.
Of course, I get in, it just stops.
So there's a short and there's a buy limit. Let's see what happens. There's a short, and the ATM has a buy limit and a buy stop. Okay, so it just hit the other alert closed it out. That's perfect. And now it depends on where it goes for what the next trade is. Yeah, I get it. Oh, wait a minute. That was a sell order. No, it's a buy stop.
Push. Do nice push. Fuck it. Take it there. Oh, now you push.
Hmm.
I was trying out your Rankos yesterday afternoon.
Okay.
I'd have to get used to it. I like the cleanliness of the setups.
Yeah.
But it just gives so many setups.
Increase the size of the bars.
Well, if I'm going to do that, I might as well stay with the volume bars.
Yeah, but the bars are consistent on volume bars. The size isn't consistent.
It is consistent. It's consistent by the volume.
It's consistent by the volume, but the size of the bars are not the same.
Oh, and I accidentally made an indicator yesterday.
Say that again?
Is it working? I accidentally made an indicator
I got
yesterday. Is it on? Where'd it go? I don't even know how it works.
Took a whole Butterstunts took a $6 win on an eval yesterday. Well, I guess better a $6 win than a $400 loss. A scratch trade is a good trade. Nothing wrong with a scratch trade.
I don't even know if my indicator's working. It was working yesterday. It's supposed to be based on time and sales, like a cumulative delta or something. I don't know. I was messing around with GPT.
Okay.
About trying to get better entries. And GPT's like, I guess the other day I mentioned something about time and sales.
Mm-hmm.
And GPT's like, well, I can make you an indicator based on time and sales, give you great entries.
It even promised you great entries.
Yeah. Like, okay. Do it.
Give me great entries.
I think GPT might have been overselling it, though. I don't know. I think it might need historical tick data.
Okay.
I tried to put that on my chart and froze my NinjaTrader again. I don't know if anybody else is ever able to use that feature, but every time I've ever tried, it just freezes NinjaTrader.
Never tried. Never tried. What were you trading last night, Butters? Gold, I guess. To be honest with you, I think forgot what I was going to say. Okay, so it should short, right? If it goes up, which would leave me, yeah, it took a long on gold, basically at the top of the consolidation. +4. If a bar forms, it'll go +5 again. Or it'll go +5 there too also, eh? Okay, I see how it's working. This is interesting.
You got it. Figure it out.
Well, no, it's interesting how it's working. What I'm thinking is when you think the markets are going to be bullish, this is a great time to apply the short side the way I had. Whoa, what just happened now? 944. That was a splutch.
Whose alert went off? Yours or mine?
Well, my alert is running constantly. I'm just tracking it.
What's the alert for?
Well, it's not an
alert
alert.
go off.
What do you mean? Like make the noise? You mean like beep, 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 something like that?
No, I was like,
No, not here. I have my cash register ringing every time a trade gets filled.
Might have been my Ninja Trader. I don't know.
Okay, so it took a lot of losses there. That was a heavy dump off the previous day's high. Started going, but didn't break structure to the upside, so I cut it.
It's almost a 100-point drop, wasn't it?
Yeah. 804 to 710, pretty much, yeah. The high of the U.S. session, almost right down to the low of the U.S. session.
Well, hopefully nobody was in that trade. And if they were, hopefully they had a stop loss. And if they did, hopefully it worked.
Okay, so once this alert goes to break even or a little positive, which I'm sure it will, I'm going to shut it down because it's distracting me. There we go. Let me get rid of the ATM. Oh, well, that was my opportunity. The markets are moving fast now. We've got 28 points of range on the 1-minute candles.
Still think we want that all-time high.
At what price? I should go look instead of bugging you.
23,847.
Oh, yeah?
848, somewhere around there.
Yeah. So, yeah.
It was just 20 points away from it.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody thought we were going for the high, and then it just dropped 100 points.
That's it. That's exactly why I think we are going for the high, because that's what the market does. Makes you think you're wrong, takes you out of position, so the most amount of people can be going, shit. It went there. I knew it was going there, but somehow the market got me out.
So you're saying the market's a mother beach, right?
It is. I don't know how it orchestrates stuff like that, but it really does.
Oh, I got short. You shorting? Am I shorting?
Nah, I'm watching.
Yeah.
I should be short. I am looking.
Yeah.
I should be short.
I don't like it on the 2-minute.
But I'm really just watching this alert thing.
Is it keeping you alert?
Yeah, I'm fully alert. I'm watching it trade.
Not me, I'm falling asleep.
Sometimes I think the will of the market and the will of the participants have opposite view.
Ain't got no go juice today. See, it's just clear.
Well, unless I actually get into an office where they show me how they manipulate the market and they actually show me examples live, I don't know. I don't see how markets can be manipulated. I think they're
What do you
just...
mean? Why can't they?
Because there's too many players. You know, you're big omnious bank. You're the third largest bank in the U.S. Okay, you can push the market in your whatever direction you want because you got the capital to do it. But you also got bank number 2 and bank number 1 that knows you're doing it and wants to trap you, and says, "Hey, omnious bank is pushing the market higher. Let's screw him over." So you know there is no one market. It's tons of players. Not only tons of... Go.
Let me ask you the question from the way I would think about it. So you have bank number 1, bank number 2, bank number 3.
And 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but continue.
Okay, but we'll just... Yes, there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but let's just stop at 1, 2, 3. Who do you think owns bank number 1?
The bank number 1 owners.
Bank number 2 and bank number 3. Who do you think owns bank number 2?
Bank number 2 owners, independent, different owners.
No, bank number 1 and bank number 3. Who do you think owns bank number 3? Yep, bank number 1 and bank number 2.
I don't know if that's true.
Of course it's true. You ever heard of BlackRock?
Yeah. How could you not have?
All major stock companies in the U.S. are owned by BlackRock, and like 2 or 3 other companies. And then who owns BlackRock? The other companies. Who owns the other companies? BlackRock.
Well, I don't even understand the logic of that. How can I own you, but you own me?
Well, BlackRock's a company, right?
Yeah, so I buy shares in Omnius Incorporated, and I have a controlling interest. I have 60% of your shares, so technically I get it. I don't own you, but I own a majority interest, so I'll go with that, and I can control what you do.
But I own interest into futures floor. See how you got different companies own each other.
Mm.
Go to any major stock in the U.S., the S&P 500, and look at who the major shareholders are. There was a guy that did a really nice video on that a while back. If I knew where it was, I'd show it to you.
Okay. Okay, so I see what happened here.
You see them doing all that woke stuff, and you're like, why would they do that? They're going to lose all their investors.
Mm.
They don't care. Their investors, BlackRock. It's the only one they care about.
Okay, close it. Click, click. Oh, we broke the lows.
That was a nice short. Oh, well.
Well, I didn't have my clicker, but I said click, click out loud. You heard me, right? Click, click.
You can just click the heart button in the chat. That'll work. That'll be a new clicker. Just go there and click the heart a few times.
Okay, I'm going to go do my sound test now. BlackRock has a majority of public shares in a lot of companies, which has enough power to sway decisions. Otherwise, well, I would be willing to sell
Vanguard,
a majority.
Yes. The major shareholder in Vanguard is BlackRock. The major shareholder in BlackRock is Vanguard. There's also another 1 or 2, and they all do the same thing.
I'd be willing to sell a majority interest in Futures Floor Incorporated for $30 million to BlackRock if they're listening.
When you see like Apple, Microsoft, Google competing against each other, they're not really competing against each other. The same people own all those companies.
Mm. Well, that is funny you say that, because yesterday I did a survey, a YouTube survey. They sent me one.
Mm-hmm.
And they asked me, does anyone in your home work for? And they pretty much mentioned all those companies that you just talked about. I mean, all the tech companies.
Mm-hmm.
You know what's funny about when I'm on your stream on my cell phone?
What's funny about it?
It sends me to another video automatically. It pushes me off your video. I don't get it.
Yeah, YouTube don't like me.
You wouldn't believe how many times, because here it is, I put you on. I have it in my ear, very quiet so it doesn't confuse me, but just to make sure it's playing, I put my phone down, nothing can touch it. And then all of a sudden I hear a commercial. I go, really? They're playing commercials on your and it goes to another video. Almost as if I was watching a video of yours and it sent me somewhere else, but I'm on your live stream.
Yep. They don't like me.
Happens every day.
I was thinking yesterday was having those audio issues.
Okay.
Remember we changed the audio settings in Discord?
No.
Remember
yeah.
that one dial you told me to turn all the way to the left, all the way to 0?
Yeah. I don't remember exactly what it was called, but yeah, I remember that.
So that basically just opened the mic up all the time.
Mm-hmm. But
and I was looking at Discord. You can see where it lights up, and it was constantly lighting up, flashing.
Yeah.
I was like, the mic's just open, and that's what that noise was you was hearing yesterday.
Okay, but the funny thing is, mine is fully to the left. And my green light around my image goes on only when I talk. But maybe it could be a combination of the two settings.
Yeah, I don't know.
There was two settings. Remember, hold on, I'm going to open them up. Where is it? Audio, video. Yeah.
Well, also could have been the
profile.
Processor. Yeah, also could have been the processor I had on that caused a little bit of static. And that could have caused it to stay open.
Yeah. So
with,
now
the gate being so light, turned off.
Right now we set it to voice isolation. Remember you were saying there was voice isolation, studio, and custom. So I bet if I set mine to studio. No.
Is yours on voice isolation?
It was on voice isolation. I just put it to studio, but still, the green light's going on and off on my image. Custom. Let's try custom. Okay, now on custom, the green light is on around the box, the green outline.
Yeah,
is on permanently on custom.
That's what I'm on. That's what I was on. Custom, I think.
Yeah. If you don't choose custom, it's called the input sensitivity. That slider doesn't even appear.
No. I think I might need to go back to the voice isolation. Oh, we're dropping again. Where's our chart?
Yeah, voice isolation is good.
Oh, man. Cut to that short.
Yeah, I'm being distracted here.
I'm blaming that one on futures floor, guys. He'll blame it on the cat, and the cat will blame it on the dog.
74, 81, 74, 88.
And I'm half sleeping because I don't have an energy drink today.
Coffee?
No. Decided to try the day with nothing.
Yeah. Well, I don't remember. Oh, I remember what the problem was. Your voice was dropping.
Yeah, remember? One of them cuts you out too soon, and the other one don't cut you out enough.
But since we made those changes that day, everything seemed good, except for yesterday when we were picking up the noise of your fan.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to bounce off the session lows here. We're going to continue lower.
Well, the market said no all-time high, huh?
I asked if we were going to take out the data lows or the data highs. Everyone said, actually, I asked if we're taking out the data highs. We got 3 votes for the data highs. And what did we take out? We took out the lows.
Now we got this M pattern formed. Took out this gap.
Right now, just took out the lows. Just swept the lows. Watch, we're going to shoot right back up. An M.
Yes, M.
M.
It's like a W, but upside down.
M is for futures floor.
I thought it was for M-O-O-N, moon.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. How do we get into this trade here? See?
We go back about 5 minutes.
Look at that sweep
Or
of the low.
3 minutes. We just go back about 3 minutes. We have a great trade.
I don't know. I think there's a great long here.
My son's in that what if stage. He's always like, Dad, what if you could go back in time? What would you do? If you could do anything. Like, shit, son, I just want to go back like 30 seconds.
No, that's no good.
Like, you realize how much money I'd have if I could just go back 30 seconds?
Yeah.
What if you went back to What if you went back to 8:45, right?
Yeah.
Just placed your buy order right there.
At 8:45? A buy order?
Or 8:30. What was the news? 8:30.
Yeah, 8:30, yeah. 8:45 was the top. Okay, I was thinking along. Thank God I didn't take it. I even had my finger on the button. Now we just filled the gap.
Yeah, I was looking for it, but
I didn't even see that, really.
I got the message pretty clear that we wasn't doing that.
Maybe I should leave Take Profit Trader alone. I'm up 120 on it. I'm 180 from passing. My trading hasn't been all the greatest lately, as you have seen and witnessed. Maybe I should just go back to MFFU. Trade 5 lots. We got a trade here at 32. I'll take it at 37. Let's see if we can get down to 25. That's where we're supposed to get down to. I saw 28 flash there for a second. Maybe I should put in my bid. 2050.
Here's what you do to improve your trading. You change your YouTube name to Futures Floor Millionaire. Turn your camera off. Don't show your trades. Then you'll be the best trader out there, and you'll be a millionaire. That's all you gotta do.
I am. I already will be a millionaire if I do all that. I will claim to be a millionaire.
That's what the rest of them do, isn't
it? Yeah, I have no idea. I don't pay attention that closely. Let's remove this. It's bothering me. 15-minute retest. We missed it again. And it looked like it was nice. The 15-minute.
Oh, that was a great move, too. Oh, man.
Yeah, at 9:56. Well, let me see. 12. I might have gotten stopped out. I might, because I go for 10 points. So 10.
Yeah, that was the one I blamed on you.
Yeah, no, I would have gotten stopped out. It would have gotten me for more than 10 points, unless I found a way to enter. You know what? Yeah, no, I would have gotten stopped out. What's the price here? 10.25.
If you look at my chart, I don't think you can see it. I don't know if I can put it on there.
Oh, that's on the mar. Yeah.
I got this perfect entry signal right there at the ORB. Where's that chart at? Probably won't show. It never wants to. Not gonna work. There it is. Perfect entry signal.
Let's look. That's the 2-minute chart. I always ask.
That's the volume.
The volume.
Nice trend line up. Break it. Switch color to red candle coming off of the VWAP and the open range low. Perfect. That's perfect signal right there.
I forgot what you used for volume. You said 2,000, 1,000? I think 2,000, no?
Either 2,000 or 2,600. I think MNQ's 2,600, NQ's 2,000.
Okay.
So now we're at Globex Open shop area. Haven't seen my indicator working. I don't know why it was working yet last night. Oh, there it is. One, that's it. Might have to talk to GPT. I think it kind of oversold this indicator.
Mm.
What am I supposed to do?
You know what the problem with GPT is? It's just way too submissive. I don't know what other word to say. Whatever idea you come up with, it encourages you. It never says, "Oh my God, no, that's just stupid." It just,
Right.
It's like, hey, I want to put a tire in the front of my car going left to right, not forward. Oh, okay. You know how we would do that best? We would have to, no, you're supposed to say, you're an idiot. You don't do that.
You want me to make that for you? But I didn't even ask for the indicator. I was just asking, like, how could I get better entries?
Yeah.
And it's like, hey, use the time and sales. I'll create you a indicator. It's like, do you want me to create you this indicator? I'm like, sure. Okay, fine, I guess.
But not only does it help you put the wheel going sideways on the front of your car, then it asks you, would you like me to put one in the back too?
Yeah.
Or would you like me to show you to put one in the back? What a great idea.
I think the indicator is basically just a high volume indicator.
Mm.
So I think it wants a print size over 20, wants an imbalance over 65, then a look back of 3 seconds. But if I turn this to 5 seconds, it'll probably do better. They have a similar indicator on Quantower, but I couldn't find any use for it there either. Volume spike don't mean that the market's going to do what you want.
Mm.
Do have a hammer on the 5 minute. Would like to see a nice pullback and push up. Was kind of watching an interesting pattern on your Renko chart yesterday.
Yes. Tell me more.
I noticed that when you get like a 3 or 4 bar pullback to the moving average.
Yeah, I tried that very often.
Then the chances of success are a lot greater.
Yeah. What I like
instead of a 1 bar or a 2 bar, you just look for 3 or maybe even 4 bar.
Yeah.
And then a bar in your direction and buy it or sell. Then it's got a lot higher probability. Of course, that's only from one day of looking at it. But I'm looking at it today, it's the same thing.
Yeah. Well, however you set them up, I would advise you just find an area where conditions are reversed and try to get in close to there. And that's the only setups you take. And the reason why is because then your stop is really small.
Mm-hmm.
Like if you're looking at, I don't know if you can see my Renko right now, it just went down 3-4 bars. So if you're getting it at 3-4 bars, but my stop is the bands, it's very far away. But if I wait for a 3-4 bar reversal, but I want it to be, where the bands are, Then my
Like
stop
right
is
here, you'd be looking, so we just got a buy signal, but it is going into the VWAP.
I just
That
moved
lowers
it.
the chances, but there is a buy signal right there on the
Yeah.
Renko.
But I would always wait for the continuation bar to form. I wouldn't just get in. You're going to get frustrated by how many times it just continues. That's from experience. If you were to put up like a Donchian channel, price channel, make it like say period 7 period Donchian channel, then you can get in on the way down. Let's say 3 bars down, 3 bar reversal, and then you say, okay, but if we break the price channel, stop me out.
No, I wouldn't buy on the down bars. If you want to
Okay.
buy, I would look for 3 or 4 bars down, and then an up bar.
Yeah.
Then you would place your stop right below the or the change of the bar, so you pretty much know where it's at. So, like, okay, here's an up bar. Your stop would be there. So what's that? 10 points. So you got a 10-point stop. You said a 20-point take profit or a 15-point take profit.
Are you asking me or telling me?
Telling you.
Okay.
Well, I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you what my observation was.
I got you. No, I didn't know if you were trying to calculate the size of my bars on my screen here. That's why.
Of course, the problem is when you get to the back and forth, like right now. But
well, here is your optimum entry right here. If you get there you go. If you would have gotten a bullish signal right there, that's what I was telling you last time. Touch the bottom of the band. We did on the dotted ones. We touched the bottom of the dotted bands, which is what I was telling you, and that's your entry. So your stop now is about 10 points, which I'm going to enter. I'm going to take the trade. So you would have already 80? No, you didn't. You wouldn't have already taken a partial if you were setting up for that. I do have a top step trade at 88, implying we go to 95. Let's see if I can get in better than 88 before we go to 95, 87, 89, 87, 84. There we go. This is the top step. I guess we'll leave it. The stop is definitely in the wrong place. 88 minus 14 is 74. There we go. Open up the chart. Let's go. Push, 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 push. There we go.
Are you long?
Yeah.
He's like, yeah, what I've been saying. I'm like, I don't know. I haven't been listening.
Yeah, that was long. Yeah, I'm thinking I can even tighten up these bars. That's what that percentage is. Or is this one I can't? No, I don't think I can tighten this one up anymore. It's the lowest. 0.01. You can't do 0.008. Let me try. I don't think it'll allow it. 1% is the lowest. Yeah. Okay. That's too bad. Oh no, you can't do that either. I was going to say I can tighten it up by not making it the high and the low, but the close and the low. So the 10 o'clock reversal, looking pretty right there, eh? Right, a bounce right. How can you talk about confluence? The bounce right off the previous day's close, the 5 o'clock close, or
right off of that hammer candle at the bottom.
Yeah. And now where are we going? I think it's obvious.
Keep hearing some noise goes pew.
Pew.
That you?
Nope, I'm not pewing.
You sure?
I'm pretty sure.
You look like one of those guys that goes pew.
that's Roadrunner. You're thinking of Roadrunner. Or even maybe sometimes the coyote. Nah, don't do that.
All right, 10:16. I think I'll take a few minute break.
Oh, yeah?
I'll be back.
Okay.
If you see any good trades, just go ahead and enter me, and I'm also okay.
Yell really loud. Leave your speakers on. $44. I want to get up to 53 bid. Is it too much to ask? Somehow I bought again and it just stalls out. How is that always possible? I'm always Mr. Late. Let's go. Let's break above and make another run. I don't see how it's possible that we don't go for the not only the highs but the all-time highs. It is possible, but I don't know. I just think it's the way the market acted. It just looked like it set up everybody who thought we were running for the highs, crushed them, and now it's going to run for the highs. I always found the second trade was better than your first trade. Get out. You're making me bleed money here on this one. Oh, wrong price. We're going to have a band bounce on the Renko. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Come on, film me. This will be a train track all the way up to the top. No, doesn't make it all the way up. Oh well, gave back a little bit there.
What? You're supposed to make me money.
I gave back a little bit. Let's try it again. Oh, wait a minute. The alerts are supposed to be on now. Alert. They're here. I don't know who's here, but there we go. The 2 alerts. This is when we're supposed to be going along. I reset. I reset the SIM account.
No, for that one.
I'm gonna go see who it is. I'm very curious. I'm like a dog. I want to go see. Roof, roof, roof.
Oh, somebody's at your house?
Yeah, I'll be back in a sec.
Crazy. Anybody looking at any good trades? Long, short, to the moon? No trades? Nobody's looking at anything? Trying to find a long entry. Like a pullback. It's kind of that sideways action again today. Albeit 185 points. Yeah, there was a few good signals I kind of missed.
That doesn't look like me on your stream. He doesn't even have gray hair. Is it on
Who, that
pause?
guy?
It was on
Which
pause.
guy?
I don't know. It was on pause somehow. See? That's weird things. Now it paused your video, which shouldn't have because I didn't even touch my phone. Just sitting there. Okay, let me put my camera back on.
Maybe that's you there looking. Oh, it's gone now.
Yeah. No, there was like a guy with brown hair and glasses, but it was paused, so it could have been from when I left. Who even knows? So let's see what Sim 101 is going to do now. I put the alert above the bands at the right time. I'm curious to see what we get. I got to leave a little early today. I'm going to
ready for a nap.
I'm going to make my hair shorter.
You ain't got no hair.
What are you talking about? I got a full head of hair. And I go,
Let's grow a beard.
I got a beard. Look. Hold on, let me close the lights. You'll see it. See?
Looks like a mustache.
And then there too. It's just gray. It blends into the color of my skin.
I have to get you to grow a beard like Santa Claus.
No.
Won't be long. I might start looking like Santa Claus.
I don't like it when it gets long. I don't know. This feels funny on my face.
And you're in the perfect spot for a long beard.
Explain?
I should be the one with the shaved face living in Florida. You should be the one with like this big beard living up there.
That's what you mean. Yeah. That's what you mean. I'm gonna follow the sim account till we get. Oh, we can't get under the bands. No. Yeah, you have to take profit. Okay, well, we got a long on Top Step at 58. Let's see if I can get in better. That's a better price. 54, 4 points better. I'll take it. Let's do a 6 slot at 54.
Yeah, YouTube blocked my video. It's only got like 5 views. I think it's because of the title.
Yeah, oof.
Plane has just crashed into another plane. How do they keep doing that?
You know what? I don't know what's true anymore on YouTube because people are telling stories. What do I mean by that? You know, like
says in Montana.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not saying it's not true, but bedtime stories, just flat out stories. You know, but they should tell you this is just a made up story. First day, Chinese submarine. Not threatens, but let's use the word threatens. U.S. aircraft carrier. Oh wow, okay. So I listened to that. That's interesting. I think it's kind of true. Then the next day, Chinese naval ship rams U.S. warship. I'm saying, no, they didn't ram a. And then the next day, Russia bombs. You know, it's like they just make up stories.
I think sooner or later they're going to have to start charging people for stuff like that. Because I would think that would be a crime.
Yeah,
you can't go in the crowded theater, right, and yell fire.
If
you're saying Russia just bombed, a city or something, then wouldn't that be the same thing?
Well, it's all on the ocean, and they do it with the cartel too. So they do it with China, Russia. It's a couple of channels. China, and now they're in my feed. China, Russia, and the cartel.
But this one kind of looks legit, showing the plane on fire. I guess it was 2 fully occupied planes crashed into each other.
Okay, well.
I don't know if you can see it on there.
Nah, you have to take the green screen off.
Ain't got no green screen.
Ain't got no green screen. Hey, what chip?
Heck is hilarious. You can't see it.
No,
Whatever.
you don't. No, you don't see it that way.
Wood chip, good morning.
Long here again. How many times are they going to try and fish me in at this long? At this level till we push through it?
Yeah, we're at a pivot point. R1. See if it wants to break above or what it wants to do.
Ah. It's going to break above. We're going for those highs again.
We went for a walk this morning. There's this jet up in the sky just going in circles.
Okay.
What the heck? There was another guy out there like recording the sunrise, and I'm like, what do you think's up with that jet up there just flying around in circles? He's like, I don't know. It's been up there for like 45 minutes. Kind of weird behavior.
Guy fell asleep on the stick.
I don't know if maybe they wouldn't let him land or what. I wonder if that has something to do with that plane that crashed in Montana. Maybe they had to delay landing.
Mm.
Oh, it's just weird. You look up and there's a plane. It's a jet. It's a passenger jet.
Okay.
Just flying in circles.
So, sim is down. $23, but it has a 3-lot. And it will add.
Hey, wood chip, I keep telling my accounts to go up too. Sometimes they don't listen. Sometimes I even try to ask nicely.
Got me again. Really?
I was in the twilight zone yesterday. Going up, going down, going up, going down. I kept wanting the trade to go in my favor so much. I was taking the trades premature or jumping in late. Then finally, when I decided I'd act like a real trader and take real setups, made back most of the money I lost. It's like, all right, if I just stop being a jackass for a little while, probably make a little bit of money.
Yeah. Well, I'm in jackass land again also, unfortunately. It is
one of the
now...
things it is for me is I won't even be actively trading, right? I'll be doing other stuff on the computer. And then I'll see a trade or I'll see it like right afterwards. I'm like, oh, I could have got into that.
Yeah.
Like, oh, that's not too late. Look, it'll keep going. Watch.
Those are the worst.
Yeah. Chasing that jackass.
It's because you're getting in late now. Your return is less and your risk is greater if you're maintaining the same numbers.
Right. You just changed the entire setup. You took a trade that was a great trade and flipped it upside down. And wonder why you're losing money. No, I'm losing money because I'm a jackass, and if the trade's gone, it's gone. And if it's not there, it's not there.
Yeah, I'm trading way too often, taking too many setups. $58.49. Let me try and get in over here. My stop would be at 44 about. It's really bouncing between these two levels. Well, my take profit trader account is almost there. 52,825. $175 to go.
Hey, what happened with the Bulenox?
They'll reset them. I probably have them. I didn't even open them up yet.
Did you get the email back?
I don't know what you mean.
Didn't you email them about?
Yeah. They'll reset them. You're talking about. You're talking about
any kind of like explanation or anything?
No, you're talking about the 2 accounts that they charged for, but they didn't reset.
Right.
Yeah. We reset them. So, but I didn't open it. I didn't open it yet today, so I didn't look.
I was just hoping it happened to me. It happened to you. It's probably happening to other people. Yeah, it's like some kind of explanation or something.
For I told you, in my opinion, the explanation is that they take away some of your days. That's my explanation.
Well, I have a bit more higher expectations from Bulenox. I don't know if they would do that. Now, if you said that about Apex, I'd be like, yeah, probably.
Yeah. Well, we'll see, because I got a ton of accounts with them. And I got more renewing on the 16th. 1 or 2 more. So what day is that? Today's what? Today's the 12th? 13th?
12th.
12th. 13, 14, 15, 16. So they renew on Sunday. We'll see on Monday if they reset those.
I was looking at their frequently asked questions yesterday, and it said they still reset if you're in the negative.
Yeah, I saw it too. Funny you say that. I was looking and I did see it. I don't know where I saw it. Oh, I know where I saw it. I saw it in the notice about being rebuilt. They send you a notice that they're going to rebuild you?
Do they?
Yeah.
I don't know. Never got one.
Yeah. So how it acts, the way I have it set up incorrectly, by using an ATM and by using an alert to stop me out, because I created an alert to stop me out. The reason why the ATM wasn't always positioned in the right place. So I use an alert to stop me out. But it's also using an ATM, and the ATM is causing it to accumulate a long position. It will never accumulate a short position. It can only accumulate a long position. And it's a pretty damn active scalper. So any trend that continues over the bands for a little while is going to accumulate a decent sized position. And anytime you get a bit of a burst, you're going to pull in a good amount of money. I'm just curious to see how much it would lose if it goes below the bands, but it shouldn't be too bad. And this one had a long time to accumulate. We already had a few opportunities to take $200 out. There was a couple of opportunities. See there, it just added another 2. It's down 180. I don't know. I think it's got potential. This is interesting.
I was back testing the hourly support and resistance strategy last night. I think I had like just doing it on the TradingView replay. Had like an 85% win rate. It's like, yeah, it'd be an easy strategy if I could just withstand the $10,000 drawdown I had to take. It's like, how do you do a strategy like that, but then put it in to where you can do it on the the daily time frame and get good entries. It's always the hard part, is the entries.
Yeah.
And if you can get good entries on any strategy, you can be wildly profitable with it.
You know what? I'm gonna take $100 every time I have an opportunity.
There went that sound again.
I think that's the level. Which, the Roadrunner sound?
Yeah.
Wow, I wasn't even moving. Nothing. Wasn't touching nothing.
Is that my indicator or something? I don't know. Never heard the sound before. I keep hearing it today.
Okay.
Oh,
there we go.
Was an indicator on this one. I wonder if that's my indicator sound.
Yeah.
Like, what is that sound? It's like, pew!
I like a sound like that. I gotta find one. That's a good sound.
How do I find out what the sound is on my indicator? GPT said take the sound. That's funny. I still don't get what the alert does, what the indicator does, though.
Mm.
It's just telling me that there's a high volume. How are you going to trade that?
There was an indicator I wanted to code with GPT. I put so many projects up on GPT now. I gotta start digging through my my archive.
Oh, I think they cut the amount of time you can use GPT with the release of 5.
Yeah.
Now it's like you do it a couple times, and it's like now you have to sign up for Pro. Like, what?
Yeah.
That fast? I uploaded like 2 pictures this morning asking it something. And I went to upload a third one, and it's like, you have exceeded your upload.
Mm.
Sign up for Pro.
Yeah, if it's pictures, you don't get along.
Well, even yesterday with the code in that indicator, it did like a couple codes and then told me I had to sign up for Pro.
Okay, you don't get to go to a lower GPT like GPT 3 or 4 or
no, it just cut me off. What did it say? Because I had something, which I'm assuming was the code because it didn't do anything else. But it said because I had something, I had to start a whole new conversation.
Mm.
It did a good job programming the code, but it still couldn't draw lines.
Well, I tried to get it to put buttons on my chart. Couldn't get it at all. I told you, I think it was I had like 170 errors in the compilation.
Mm-hmm.
I tried a few times. Oh, don't worry. I see what the problem is. The first time I sent it a screenshot, let me fix it for you. The next one had even more errors. I said, you know what? You're so far off. Forget it.
What you can do though is you can get a code with buttons, give it the GPT, and it might be able to. I don't know if you got Pro. I don't have Pro, but the problem is the code's so long. I think it exceeds the characters.
Okay. What did you miss? Well, I'm testing an alert system on Sim 101 on the bottom. I have a theory. Other than that, Nothing. We're trading sideways here for a very long time now. If you look at the 1 minute chart, you can see it. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. On my Renkos, it's pretty crazy.
No, it's up, down, left, right.
Yeah, on top step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 losers in a row.
Still holding up at this pivot point. Phone died. You got to charge it.
Did you just turn a fan on?
Did I? No. Why am I making noises again?
Yeah, your box went green there for a while, and then I was hearing, but went away. I was checking if it was my imagination or not, but yeah, you were green boxed. Ah, I have a witness. Witchup says he heard it too.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's gone. Doesn't matter.
I think I need to switch the Discord back to the other setting.
Nah. It was one thing the whole day.
See, it was doing it just there. I just seen it. Just did it again. Yeah, I gotta adjust it a little bit more. I think the AC kicked on.
I don't think you have to adjust anything. Just do what we said in the first place. Let me go again. Voice isolation. Input mode, voice activity. Or studio, either one. Yeah, no, studio's open mic with no processing. So voice isolation.
Right.
Let's see.
All right, switched over. See what we get now.
The chip got a nice trade. He sent me 4 stop, 4 long.
A dog barking. I didn't hear a dog barking.
It was my dog.
Yeah.
Nice trade with chip. Four lot.
Right. He said he heard a dog barking.
4 lot, good size. No, I was looking. He posted a trade on the
No.
Discord.
I was like, how do we go from a dog barking to posting a trade?
I needed to close the alerts because we're below now. So scalper short, alert off, scalper short stop, alert off. Okay.
Now we're going back up.
Close this trade. I fell asleep with the trade open. Those are the best. One of my biggest trades ever was a trade I forgot I put on. Isn't that funny? It's actually in futures also. It was a long time ago. This is when you were dealing with brokers. And I got a call from the broker, if I remember. I mean, I know I got a call from the broker. I don't remember exactly why, but let's go with the future contracts are going to roll over. What do you want to do with your position? What position? You have a position. You opened it up a month ago. It's doing great. I'll sell it. Okay, I can rearm the alerts. It's got to be a quicker way. 1, 2. Okay, they're rearmed.
I don't know if you can set up a hotkey or not.
No, you can't. I looked. Maybe a separate hotkey, but there's no programmed in hotkey. But yeah, I think there's a hotkey section in the tools options. Yeah, no, I think, well, I'll set one up for the other side as well. Right now, I have it only to accumulate long positions. So I need to do that above the bands, but I'll do it to accumulate short positions as well. I think it'll easily, I don't know, I'm optimistic for this. From what I've seen the past couple of days, the way it was coded, the losses are small, very small. And when conditions are right, it puts in a big trade. Let's watch. Let's see. Now that I know how to work it, it's not going to be so distracting for me. I don't have to turn it on, turn it off, turn it on, turn it off. Just one time above the bands, turn it on. Tomorrow will be a better indication. Of how it does, because today we're already late and screwed up. So how was your day today anyways? Did you do decent? Did you got some good trades in? 2 minute? Did the 2 minute work? I didn't really have that good of a day. I mean, not bad. I mean, it caused damage in my funding futures account, but my MFFU is up, and my take profit trader, which is really the one I'm most concerned about, is up 120, and I'm inching my way towards the 53,000.
Do it. Push.
This is the move. Omnius, you there? Omnius is there. Why, you not hearing him?
Might have went to sleep. I think I'm here. Can you hear me now?
Can you hear me now?
I think I'm here.
Yep. You there? You are there, I can confirm. He didn't answer your question. Yeah, I noticed that too, but I let him off the hook.
What was the question?
I don't know. I don't remember.
How you know I didn't answer it?
Huh? Because you didn't answer it. I continued talking when I realized that you weren't answering. So
I missed it all again. I'm telling you, I'm not there because I didn't have no go juice this morning.
So I monologued.
What was the question? I didn't even hear a question.
No, you were in a trade. That's why. You were focused. You were concentrating. I noticed.
All right. What was the question?
Oh, I was just saying, how's your day? Are you having a decent day today?
Oh, I heard that. I thought you was talking to Woodchip.
Yeah. No, it's just wondering how your day was going.
I thought you was talking to Woodchip. No, I'm doing good.
Cool.
Opening
Yeah, that's exactly the question. You take the 2 minute.
Yeah, 2 minute day great. I think took what, 2 trades? Yeah, 1, 2. I turned one of them off, because I got 4, and one of them has been not doing the best, so I turned it off. So I think the other 3 are still doing really good. And then the manual trading, green. I mean, I'd like it to be a little bit more green, but it's still green, I guess. I did miss a few really good trades today.
Oh, I missed a lot, but I also missed a lot of losers, so I guess it...
I think I'm just half asleep and my head's clouded. Didn't have any kind of energy drink or anything this morning. So I'm just kind of here floating, half awake, half asleep.
So I finally got an answer back from YouTube.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, they said, well, if it's happening like that, you're violating community guidelines.
Oh.
Okay, Mr. Stupid. Not you, the guy who answered me. Did you not read and look at my email? Oops, I gotta remove it. Hold on, I gotta remove the alerter thing. I want to keep it mildly accurate. And I gotta close this position. Boom. There we go. If I violated the guidelines, is there any reason, and then you revoked my accessibility to these options, is there any reason or explanation as to why you gave them back to me 45 seconds later, once I resubmitted a video? Obviously, I'm in a submit the video, remove the video loop. Like, you took away my access on the 13th, you gave it back on the 13th. You took it away on the 27th, you gave it back on the 27th when I resubmitted the video. You know, month after month, twice a month, every month. If I violated a community guideline, you wouldn't give it back to me by resubmitting a video. And besides that, Google is telling me we're not keeping your video anymore. That's not part of the process. I hate these people on customer support that skim your email, don't look at anything, and then just send you a generic reply. Like, why don't you look at what I actually sent you?
Because they get 1,000 emails and they don't care. Just put out some reply and move on. So I was thinking about it when you told me about it yesterday, the issues. I wonder if some of your issues could be a login issue. Like maybe you're logging in from a device that Google doesn't know, or from a different location.
No, just my cell phone, my computer.
Or it could be...
Everybody's using their cell phones to log into their accounts, and my computer is hardwired. It's not even on Wi-Fi.
Yeah. Also could be somebody else maybe getting your password or something and logging into a computer that it doesn't know.
I think I had
issues with that before.
Yeah.
And it was driving me freaking crazy. And like every time I'd log in, I'd get flagged. And it's like, come on, I've been using this computer for how long? Like, what's the problem? Also, do you have two-step verification on Google? Do you got it where, like, it's got an email and it's got a phone and other stuff like that?
Yeah, no, you know what? Once I solve this problem, I'll set up two-step verification.
So I would go ahead and maybe today go ahead and set up the two-step verification, because that could be the problem. Is Google might keep flagging your account. What it's doing?
No, because then it wouldn't.
I was talking about Google and my phone lit up. Google's like, "What do you want?" Quit listening to me.
Let me go see. Hold on. File. Open.
Yeah, I would make sure that you have the two-step verification.
Yeah, no, none of that is applicable because of what's happening. None of that would make sense.
Well, that's what I'm trying to tell you. Is I had issues before and they were kind of similar. And
so here,
because I give them my wife's phone as the second contact, like every time I'd have to get on the computer, they'd have to send her a code. I'd have to get the code, retype it in. It was like all kinds of just crazy
no. See, but here's the deal. Not randomly, every 14 days, I send in a video verification. Following? I take my phone, I look left, I look right, I look up, I look down, and I click submit. 14 days later, Google, your video verification is no longer saved in your Google account. That's it. That's the email. That's all it says. We're no longer keeping, we discarded it. We don't need it anymore.
Joker, good morning.
30 seconds later, hey Joker, 30 seconds later, I get another email. Your channel has lost access to advanced features. I redo the video. And 30 seconds later, I get, congrats, you can use the advanced YouTube features. So, yes, I can understand these arguments anywhere except they don't explain your video verification is no longer saved in your Google account, and that starts the whole chain reaction. Someone logging in with my password wouldn't cause Google to no longer keep my video verification, to discard it.
If they're flagging suspicious activity.
So we don't want your video verification anymore?
I don't know.
And every 14 days exactly?
Yeah, I don't know.
No, it's impossible.
I'm just trying to think of ideals, man. If you don't have the two-step verification, that's something I just go ahead and set up.
Yeah, anything else you can
it's going to be
say.
mandatory here soon anyways. I told you that mine, if I go there now, it says it. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't mind two-step. I have nothing against it. I like two-step verification. I don't know why I didn't set it up.
It's going to be mandatory soon anyways, so I would set that up today and see if it helps any of the issues.
But oops. Hey. But I'm always logged in anyways when I open up my computer. I never have to log in. So there's no there would be only two-step verification if I log out of my account, but I never log out of my account. My computer's always on. I just turn on.
My issue before was going between my laptop and my computer, and it was giving me all kinds of problems. Oh, and another one that was giving me the problems was Prism, logging into YouTube through Prism.
Yeah.
And yeah, I was having all kinds of issues with that. I actually got mad on stream one day. I was like, cussing stuff. And some guy was there, and I was like, I'm just mad. Google keeps fucking with me. I don't remember what I told the guy, but he never came back.
Well, that's the thing. Yeah, prison stuff. We had, OBS had to get permission. A lot of things had to get permission to access my Google account or my YouTube account. I think it's the Google account. Canva,
right? I
think got permission. OBS has permission. Nightbot has permission. I don't know who else has permission. vidIQ. You know vidIQ?
Yes.
Yeah, so I paid for their services. So I don't. When I did that, I gave them permission. So, but again, that wouldn't explain a 14-day revoke and resume permission cycle on a 14-day cycle. It's obviously it's a bug.
Wouldn't it be nice if there's just somebody there to tell you what the issue was?
Well, there is, and GPT's trying to. It says that you're being handled by a bot, and you got to get it manually. You got to confuse the bots so they bump it up to manual. Anyways, it's going to be easy to do that because, like I said, it's just crazy. Just look at the dates here. It started all the way in March the 21st, March 21st, April 8th. I didn't even keep them all. April 24th. May 16th, June 4th, June 25th, July 15th. Where is it? June 25th, July 15th, and August 1st. And now on August 1st, it's jammed. It says it's verifying my video, and I never submitted a video. I gave up on August 1st to submit videos. So somehow they're verifying a video that I didn't even submit. Explain that one. See, that's another... You're verifying a video. You mean you're repairing my car, but I never brought you my car? My car is in my driveway, but you're repairing my car?
They do a better job than what they did on my car.
No, but you don't have my car. You're not repairing it.
So they probably did a better job.
So you can't have online, your repair is pending, contact us later. We're still repairing your car, or your repair is not finished. No, you don't have my car. You don't have a video to verify. And I've been stuck in video verification always took less than 24 hours. Actually, it always took about 10 minutes. Now it's been 12 days, and they're saying, well, that's the thing. It could take longer than 24 hours. Okay, but it's been 12 days, and you don't have a video to verify. There is no video verification going on. Get that through your head. Not your head.
I don't get the whole video verification anyways. I've never done that.
They want to make sure you're a human. But the funny thing is, it's happening with Facebook now also, with me? I think I told you, I got it again on the weekend. I got so fed up, I did my video verification with my head on the pillow. But
I never had to do it there either. I don't understand.
Someone looked at it, and they returned it and said, it's no good. We can't see you well. Redo it. So you see, someone is actually looking at them, and I redid it. I redid it in the basement with the lights on here, and they got accepted, and I got my access back to my Facebook account. But they don't do it by email. So I don't have a record of how often it's happening, but this is like the third time it's happening. They only do it is when I log in. Your account has been suspended. Submit video verification.
That's what I was thinking would, Chip. I think he got hacked or something. There's all kinds of different things that hack you. Like you click on some kind of link or an email or something, or download something, get a virus. I would say, just to get the things out of the way would be change your password and set up the 2-step verification. And, just things you can try.
Again, that wouldn't explain the garage, the secretary at the garage telling you we're still working on your car if your car is in your driveway.
Look, I'm just making suggestions.
Like that's a YouTube thing. The YouTube system is indicating that they're verifying a video.
No, I'm just making suggestions. You want to try them out? Try them out. If you don't, don't.
Okay, but I'm saying the YouTube video is saying they're verifying a video. They don't have a video to verify. And it's been 12 days. It doesn't take 12 days. It's stuck.
You're probably waiting on a bot to verify a video that's not there.
Mm. So the system is clogged, jammed. Anyways, I'll keep whacking at it. Eventually we'll clear it up. No, there's nothing there. Of course not. I see it. Remember, first I get the video verification is no longer saved in Google. 2 minutes later, your channel has lost access to advanced features. That's from YouTube. When I log on to YouTube, I no longer have access to advanced features. So I have to click the submit video verification button and click OK. But that's on YouTube Studio logged into my account. No, it has nothing to do with that. Yeah, no, I could see you thinking that, but no, it's I get those emails and then YouTube is screwed up. On my channel. Those are correct. They're all correct emails. Yeah, it is.
Going back up to test the high. If we get a good push, go out and make all-time high. I was 50 points away from all-time high.
I think I was saying before how when you were gone, the second trade is always the best trade. You know, I'm looking at the breakout over this consolidation here on the 1 minute chart. We broke out. I would always take that trade and then it would come back. And most often I would stop out. And sometimes I would hang on and then it would go. And I always said to myself, why do you take the first one? You know it's always going to come back. Take the second one because the second one doesn't come back. There's no booty. YouTube has no booty.
Yeah, they do. Shit.
They do?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
You find all kinds of nude videos on YouTube.
You're a liar. How's that even possible?
there. What do you want to
Wow.
see? You want to see titties? You want to see? What do you want to see? It's all over YouTube.
So you're telling me I type in the word titties on YouTube for a search and something's going to show up?
Probably.
I'm surprised. I thought it was insanely sanitized.
No way.
TikTok. I say, yeah, TikTok. You can get away with it for a bit. And
Somebody told me that before, and I'm like, what are you talking about? There's new girls all over YouTube.
Okay, here we go.
You got we got the painted girls. Let me check for you guys. What, Chip? Go do a search for us. Type in body paint.
Okay, we're breaking the session highs. We're running for your high. All-time high. What did you say it was? 46?
They don't send y'all any of those videos? Like the girls in the body paint, the girls doing the wearing transparent clothes, cleaning.
No, I don't get that. What do I get? I get AI sometimes in the shorts. And it's an AI short. And it's showing and it's always Oriental girls. And they're wearing such a tight suit. So, you see their camel toe. One. And the other one I get also, which is also AI. And again, it's Oriental girls. It's like they're accepting a medal, from being in jiu-jitsu or in a martial arts competition, but their robe is open and you see like the side of their boob. But that's all that gets into my feed.
Yeah, on the kids, you can see boobs on YouTube.
Mm.
They got the modeling. They got nude models on there.
No, I didn't know. I thought
body paint.
I thought it was all sanitized.
Hell no. I mean, it's almost allowed on there. What about 20 points from all-time high? Quit that shit.
No, didn't you say the all-time high was at 840 something, or did you say it was at 860?
It's at about 850.
Funny, I have
it at
830
now.
I have it at 837 on this contract, or the way that NQ shows the daily, 846. Let's say. Well, hold on. Let me open up the data box.
I got 848. All-time high 848.
Yeah, me too.
So yeah, we're about 18 points away.
Mm. Well, 11:15. No coin flip strategy today, guys. I gotta head out. My day is done.
I'm mistaken for YouTube.
Let me close this.
It's mistaken. It's actually YouTube.
This is mistaken.
What Chip? What am I mistaken?
You're mistaken. Don't argue.
I'm not arguing.
You're mistaken.
I'm mistaken about what I'm mistaken.
Okay, I'm checking out. You are you staying on? Everyone go over to Omnius's AI channel.
I'm checking out also.
Yeah.
Ulube.
That's a good name. That's a good name. Okay, guys. Skeletor, Woodchip, Omnius, thanks. It was
Checking
fun.
out.
Thanks for spending time
with you.
Yep, that's enough. And I don't think I'm streaming again tonight. I'm going to work on this YouTube issue, maybe make a video if I have time. Tomorrow you will see me with shorter hair. Thanks for showing up.
I haven't had any kind of energy drinks or anything today. I've been sitting there falling asleep all morning.
Mm.
Probably the best thing for my trade, and while it's still in the green, is to go take a nap.
Yeah, I think so. So it's a good. I'll quit where I am here. 175 away from passing Tech Pro.
Eat pizza. Look at this guy. He's like, eat pizza.
No
Skeletal reason
pizza.
I haven't had anything to drink today is because I was going to try to go the day without eating or drinking.
No more. No more. I really got to lose weight. You know what? When you go take a shower and you get angry at your belly, you get angry at it. I swear to God, fucking belly.
I think I could go the day without eating, but without drinking my energy drink, that's what gets me. I was like, I can at least have this, right? So I was arguing with GPT this morning. I'm like, this will not break your fast. And GPT's like, yes, it will. I'm like, no, fuck you. I said it won't. It's like, yes, it will. I'm like, fine.
So that's my question. There's calories in it, right? It's not a
Like
calorie.
20 calories.
It's nothing then.
That's what I said.
It's nothing. I'm not I'm doing the 8-hour fasting thing. Not the 8-hour, 16-hour fasting. I'm going to be on that. And I'm still going to have my coffee in the morning with my teaspoon of cream. That's not going to
here's what it comes down to, right?
break my
I'm
fast.
going to do it, and I'm going to put myself through that misery. Might as well make sure I do it right.
Mm-hmm. Well, I tried. I started with water today. Here it is. I started with water today.
Water?
But I couldn't. I went at 9 o'clock, whatever. I went up. I made coffee. I can't just do water.
I don't know. I'll give it a try. No guarantees on success.
Okay.
It's worth a try, right?
Say bye-bye. Give your 2 fingers.
All right. Let everybody. Appreciate everybody hanging out. See everybody tomorrow morning.
2 fingers.
2 fingers. Hold on.
Give the 2 fingers.
Well, you can't do the 2 fingers yet. You got to do it at the end.
Okay,
click
I'm
the
waiting.
end screen.
I'm
Skeleton
waiting.
later. Wood chip later. Joker later. Anybody
Joker,
forgot? Later.
What's up, everybody?
Peace.
Not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro. This gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, outs lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Future's floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, 3 lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Future's floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like, come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run the alive, click, stamp, click, click, watch me grow. Future's floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. He in my OF like it's satisfact, and now I'm missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat.